Hey guys, ushir here, and in this video we're going to have a look at some educational designs for your next website. If you want to check them out, you can go to onlinecode.co.za to have a look at the latest designs. Hover over to categories, education. You can register on the site. You have to come into elements and template kits before you do that. And these are the premium kits that we have. We've got 20 to choose from. And we're going to go through each one now to see which one is best for you. Well, you'll have to decide on that. So Home 1 is, eTutor Template Kit is the first one. And you can see there's different variations of each page that you'd like. You've got 2 about pages to choose from, 2 home pages to choose from. If we just press Control and hit on these, it'll open up, and then you can check out which one you like. So that's one. Some of them don't have a header and a footer, but that's fine. We can add that in, or they do come separately. And that's the other homepage for that design. Let's go on to, you can see there's a pricing. Just make sure when you're choosing one that it has all the pages that you need. But even if it doesn't, we can always choose it from something else and then bring it into your design and change the colors and the layout as well. So here's another design. As you can see, these are the 2 home pages. We'll just click on one for now. You can always come back and have a look at it closer. This is the Ed Template Kit. All right, this is the third one. It's called Kids. Yeah. Very nice, colorful, more like a kindergarten type of, well, there you go, design. Remember, the colors can be changed to whatever you'd like. This is LearnKit. Oh, sorry. So sometimes it opens up and then you got to click on the home to have a look at the home page and click on the different pages that it has. So while this is loading, let's go check out the home page. We can label all of these designs for you, so you can tell us exactly what you want changed to reduce the cost. Otherwise, you can always just send us the information and we can decide which layout fits best for your website. This is called Abasha, and this has brought us straight to the home page, and then you can view the different pages by clicking on these. Very nice, neat, corporate kind of look to it. Educator. Let's click on the home page and check that out. These are the pages. Whilst the home page is loading, let's look through this. It's only got about 8 or 9 pages. So this play button is like active on that side. The video would normally play there. This is using a lot of icons, animation, I like that parallax effect. It's so nice to have your reviews with 5 stars. It just helps so much to see that. Let's go to the next one. Let's just reload this. It had an issue loading properly. Or did it? Or did it not? It's broken. Don't worry about that one. LMES. Cool animations coming in. You can check out all the different pages for this. Phew. Are you telling me that this is all a different page? Yeah. Oh, well, these are just blocks. It looks like it's just blocks. So we can duplicate anything. So if you want this duplicated and then switched around and remove, you want to remove 3 and you don't have 3 of these courses, you only have 2. not a problem. This has a pop-up on this one. It's Tomahawk. Right. Homeschool. Another nice colorful one. Got a parallax effect, motion effects. Like how this is a diagonal look to it. Cool. Obra. Let's have a look at the home page for Obra. So even when you click on the home page, you get to see all the other pages here as well. Like how the social icons at the top. Nice fading on the images. All of them have these numbers that are scrolling. It is pretty cool. You just got to think about what you want in there. And then I know these testimonials scroll. Nice clean look to that one. Translang. So if you have a translating business, but I mean, any of these designs can be used for any type of company. Well, what's nice, if you want straight out of the box, you can have these images, you know, use the images, use the font, the style. You could even get a company that you like to create a logo that suits this if you're trying to bring the cost low. And if you're not, we can customize anything on here. Quite a few pages to choose from. This is called Eduliv. I like this blue. The blue's a bit harsh in the eye. But that can be changed, the colors. Oh, this is nice. This is called LearnKit. This is called Homeschool Schooly. Coursely. Let's have a look at the pages. Come through and have a look at each one of these these designs in detail if you'd like. Tutorial. I don't think this white bar is supposed to be a. Yeah, we're just having a look at the home pages for now. These are all the pages for this one and the different header designs. When you're deciding on a design, don't worry too much about, oh, I have 3 services and I need this one, this design has 4. We can always remove and chop and change things. What you're looking at is the overall style of the way the information is laid out. And let's have a look at Corso. check out the home page. Okay, Corso, and then EduKit. I feel like we went to EduKit now. It's quite, this header is looking very empty. It's supposed to have a bar on top. I don't know if it's, I don't feel like this has been displayed properly, but yeah. Out of all of them, I think it's pretty cool. There's quite a few nice designs, but choose one that you like the style of, and think about what information you'd like to put on there, and that it fits out whatever pages you need as well. But if you don't like certain parts of it, that's fine. We can chop and change. Thanks for watching, and check out the links to all these videos in the description.